Maraming nagsasabi na mas mahal pa raw mag-travel sa Batanes kaysa sa ibang bansa. And after we posted about our trip, ang dami naming natanggap na tanong, mostly tungkol sa flights at kung magkano nga ba talaga ang kailangang i-budget. We stayed in Batanes for 1 week, and in this video, I'll share exactly how much we spent, plus a few tips kung gusto mo rin siyang planuhin ng mas pasak sa budget. And at the end, kayo nang bahalang humusga. Mas mahal nga ba talaga ang Batanes? We booked our round-trip flight from Clark to Batanes for 11,600 via Philippine Airlines. Ang laki talaga ng natipid namin kasi usually round-trip tickets cost around 25,000 pesos, so I highly suggest booking in advance if gusto nyong makatipid. For our stay, we booked Anvil Homestay via Agoda, 5,000 per head for 6 nights. Sobrang sulit kasi malinis, maaliwalas at may free breakfast agad pagdating pa lang namin. 5 minutes away lang din siya from the airport at very accommodating ang may-ari. Siya rin palang former vice mayor ng Bataan. Yung tour namin is 4,500 per person for 3 full days. Kasama na ang North Bataan, South Bataan at Sabtang Island. May libreng lunch, walang hidden charges, at nakaban kami the whole time. Literal na nalibot namin ang buong Batanes. Sa food, depende sa preference, pero kaya naman i-budget around 2 to 3K each for the entire trip. Mostly dinner lang naman kasi may breakfast and lunch na. Ang daming choices na restaurants, may cafes din, at nung andun kami, may mga barbecue stalls sa plaza tuwing gabi. So in total, nagastos namin around 23,000 per person. Kasama na lahat, flights, tours, stays, at pagkain. Hindi siya sobrang mura, pero kung iisipin mo, Batanes na to. And for that price, we got the full experience. The peace, the simplicity, and the views that honestly don't even need filters. May mga extra rin kaming expenses like rent kami ng motor for 800 per day para mag-explore on our own. And of course, we visited Cafe de Tocon. Medyo pricey siya pero sulit na sa view at ambience. Hindi ko na sinama sa total yung pasalubong and other personal expenses. So kung balak mong pumunta ng Batanes, hindi man siya pinakamura pero hindi rin siya kailangang maging sobrang mahal. With good timing and the right deals, magagawa mo siyang pasok sa budget. At sa totoo lang, simple lang ang trip pero sulit sa experience. Ngayon alam ko na kung bakit dream destination ito ng karamihan.